love driving on the highway 2000. I love it. It's one of my favorite things to do in Jamaica. I love just driving on it because, you know, it's just beautiful. Yeah. So rule number one when you're in Jamaica, just stick around affluent people. Stay away from certain people, you know? And enjoy yourself. Jamaica is an amazing place. People will speed and thing and get ticket. Okay. This is Spanish Town, Kingston 6. So no can't go too fast and the thing, you know. Police about the place. See there? Look at that. I don't know where that place is named, but let me tell you that is the perfect spot to live. No hardly no crime probably over there. So you see, in a life, you know, when you have money, invest for the picnic. Cut out road. You know, let me tell you something. Jamaica no normal, no people. You see, when you keep looking down there, there's two or three Jamaicas. Jamaica number one is productive. People going about them business and living nicely and educated and smart. Jamaica number two in the middle. You know, people still have them struggle and them hustling. That is the people them, the market people them, people in the car them. So Jamaica number one at the upper echelon. Jamaica number two, middle class and hustle. You see number three, Jamaica number three. Here you go now. Violence, dishonor, bad people with bad mind. So we just separate Jamaica into three different parts. That way we stay in the part that we want to stay in. Some of my mistakes sometimes, you got Jamaica number three, just to see where I'm going, and it will bring you down. So stay in your lane. Take the highway 2000, pay the money for it. Look at the beauty of this country and stay in the beautiful essence of it. That's why some people say, let me just come and go a resort, but the people, you have to know the people then. You know, so big up people like her. Out of this program, how long, Nadisha, Trusty, you saw me I say, Rambo and Gaza, I not say nothing more. Soji are only certain people in this country we can really deal with. I tell you, people will sell enough for chicken cooked or, people will say, hey, I'm not even going to talk about it, but I know say when I start the program, enough people are watching and say, Randy, I go learn, you know. Randy, I go learn. Randy, I go learn, you know. I know only did say that. And I go tell you now, I found I did right. There's things I had to learn, I'm going to learn it. Sometimes in life you can't learn things unless you go through it. I'm glad to become an elder now, I become wiser. And nobody never did use me through the program, yeah. Me help who me want to help. So people watch the program and tell me some people that use me. And them never care about Jamaica good life, them just say use me. Me help who me want to help. Like right now, we're gonna get a barrel today. To help out the farmers them in Manchester. Some people said some things for them. I'm spend my own money for gas. I spend my own money for clear the barrel. I figure it out. And I help them. Because that is what the program is. Them not Jamaica Good Life farmers don't owe me nothing. Nobody not owe the program nothing. The people that must support Eccleston and his wife and Janet X. We help one or two people and we just leave it like that. We're not there to save the country. We do a lot. But me learn a lot. Some people like to abuse the program charity component for themselves. And we see them. But no, people who watch this program don't think me a fool, you know. Big up Miss Charles. So many people who used to support it. Don't think see me a fool, you know. But just give thanks to the people that will stay with me. Because it's been a long journey. Africa will go different places. They never know nothing about me. But it's private. You know, my privacy. But now we're up on Highway 2000 I go to the city. Enough of the people them jealous of me. Because them see me in Jamaica so long I have a good time. So Malachi, Iron One, you see me Jean, Maria D, I want to pick up on yourself, man. You see? So when now Linstead, see that? I'm a place that. Eh? You know how long I go to Linstead? Sometimes I feel like I'm not want to go back to my bay right now because you know how much place I still have to go. The people that we get love all over the place, you know. So for all the people that will love me, thank you no. Thank you no for all the people and the fans. Sometimes when you are one soldier and you travel it, you make the country better and you inspire people, you know. And just because me is a normal youth, you know, see me in a newspaper and all them things that Almighty be the glory, man. I know so my life is extended because I know so it works for me, though. God see it and God push my life safely and extend my life. I don't want a newspaper and nobody know about me and fame and fact. I just want God to extend my life. You see, in a life, you know, when me recognize what life was, me realize, you know, what I want out of life, God give me one wish. What me want out of life. And you know, what I say I want out of life? An extension of my life. Hey? What else you go ask for? Just ask for long life. Me not ask for no mansion, me not ask for no money. Me ask for long life. That's what I ask for. And that's what I want. I want long life. So in a safety, me feel be safe when me drive on the journey of life. I want what? We want long life and safety for everyone around me. No wish nobody no wrongs. People them will do wrongs, them have got to deal with what them have got to deal with. But we want long life. That's so we say, that's so we mean, that's so we believe. We believe in a long life, prosperity, happiness, peace and tranquility. And on this Highway 2000 it's like a spiritual journey. Because you see, with all the nonsense that go on in the world, when you sit down behind a computer, you know, it's different when you travel and move and see things like this. And you sit in front of the computer, you know, experience this. So then you're just there on YouTube every day and YouTube will program your mind. But if you get out, rent a car and drive, this is what you'd experience. This is life. So I'm just happy to know so I can enjoy my life as I get older. You see, I'm just happy so I can do it. And give thanks for this experience because I know many of you will not be coming back to Jamaica. And, we're the fastest in the world. Big up to the woman, the Olympians, the fastest Jamaican woman them. It's a great country, man. Jamaica fastest mobile network, them say. But me like flow still, you know. And when you don't get on a flow unlimited thing, I love flow. I don't like digital, to be honest with you. I like flow. Flow give me unlimited data. About $4,000 for the month. I don't buy minutes, just buy one thing and you have for the whole. Even if the data run out, you just 47 minutes to go. And this drive is beautiful. Beautiful. Them cut the mountain good and chop through the mountain and do the work. So this country is yet to be discovered by a lot of people. Buy yourself a car. People buy yourself a car, watch who wanna buy a car from. Yeah, man. Yes, man. So I just keep on the journey and keep up. Slow down and settle down. Right down here in the jungle. So I go slow down and settle down now. I go check my data in New York. And I go re-edit a lot of the videos to keep you guys entertained. But a lot more journey to come, you know what I say? And we start it, we heart it. We don't do it for the likes, we don't do it for the love. We do it because the Almighty give us the strength to do it. To all the people that do good in Jamaica, for all the people that, you know, big up Keno in a Trenchtown building. Big up everybody we continue Jamaica good life in them own way. I don't know how I talk. You see people and ego and thing. You're doing something and I may inspire you. You act like you're whole color low. You know, say around there the inspiration for the nation, and that's what the Almighty give me the ability to inspire, and that's how we change Jamaica. Even though you know want to give me credit, dirty stinking, dirty people. They know who them is. Randy said the thing and try to get rid of the king, but the Randy said the thing. Big up to all my fans, them and subscribers, and people who like it and people who don't like it, and people who try to fight it but did not succeed because Randy's on the furlong and Randy's going far and they put in some gas in the car and the car is moving. Them don't like me because me always just happy and jolly, and them don't like me because me has a smile, them things. Until my grandmother's spirit running on me from Norway, Manchester, them can't stop me, them bad mind and sell me for chicken coop. Whoa! I will never change, I will always be a jolly fellow. Look at Jamaica, man. How beautiful. Driving on the highway, 2,000 people. On a big up on yourself. Don't be no back up on the shelf. Enjoy your life. Go exercise and go deal with the thing. I eat the pork once a year, twice a year, 3 times or maybe 4 times a year. Because the pork no normal. Why? Change your balance in your stomach. You can't eat anything you want to eat as long as you have fermentation. You kill the dirty parasite in your so. Boom, go to JamaicaGoodLife.com and get your t-shirt. You're an old veteran of the show, you know. You are a old veteran of Jamaica Good Life. You are an old veteran of this program. You are, so you have to go get your bags, your shoes. I'm here, you know. I'm here, I want to do this. St. Catherine, see that? Linstead, that one I go Linstead College, Charlie Mount High School. My brother did go. We deliver Charlie Mount, you know. We're in St. Catherine. Miss Bravo, big up yourself. Enough time I don't call your name, but you know, so you're big people. Big up yourself. Big up my father, and big up my mother, and big up my brother. With their St. Catherine people can't run down hill without a St. Catherine with them now. Beautiful. You see, when I go on get ticket from police, when I go on, done them. So now, what she has said to me? I don't know what she has said. Translate that to them. 44 minutes. I come off the mountain top now. Whoa, yo, 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 see that mountain top. You know, for drum brakes, down that hill there, you just make it run. Make it run and watch out for that hill up there, so that is not where you must go. But that hill up there, so to stop the car. If you feel you're running out of control, escape lane. But don't draw no brakes on that hill, just run it out. Highway 2000. them trim our hair and thing. And a lot of times you see people get frustrated and then just jump to YouTube and then just start expressing them emotions and them feelings. But what we have to understand, and even big up to the chief in Maroon Town, a compound town, fighting the backside system. Now let's put things in context here. I'm a kind of man, you know, we've been there done. I see the backside them was send catching Alcan. So right over there, so really, if me turn off here, so with their lens and thing, I will go over there, so when I send catching with them, with the backside thing. So we grew up in the housing scheme, them in a Charlie Mount, so we know about the backside industry because we did live in a housing scheme that they built for the people who worked at the backside. So we're gonna put things in context in Jamaica. Jamaica's about context. Let's put things in context, brothers and sisters. It's about context. Everybody in the country likes to focus on the hot topic of the day, you know, hot topic. This is a hot topic. Girl get her hair cut off, hot topic. Them jump on that. When that done now, them jump on something else. And now them using YouTube as a way to make money, so everything is just hype. But there's no real organized structure in this country. Cockpit country is a challenge, but you hear about it every now and then. A documentary was done from Vice, and that documentary now showcase that documentary showcase, Linstead, Yorton. Look there. I forgot to Linstead and Yorton, man. I forgot to Linstead and Yorton. I'm a place, them there. So basically, people talk when things rise up, and the main issue right now in this country is the mining on the backside, and want to know for no say. You know, when you see people just talking about basic things, one must stay on the big picture, you know. 40 minutes to go. Stay on the big picture. Stay in the big picture. Jamaicans, this country is a pretty complex country, and you know, each parties and the government own pretty much a lot of it. And if we don't want to change, you have to go build an app. This is the solution for the cockpit bridges them. We have to build an app, Jamaica. I keep talking about it, but me tired to lead the people them. So I'm totally tired now. So I'm not going to do nothing more. As I'm cutting back on my charity. I'm cutting back on movements. I deliver the Freedom Key. I've been working on the Freedom Key for 20 years. The Freedom Key is a lot of history and a lot of information the next generation is going to need. So I came to deliver the Freedom Key to Jamaica, and that part of my mission is done. We brought the projector in to start the teaching, to leave information to reprogram the next generation. But my work pretty much coming to a close as far as what my mission is. And we help out some farmers with gender unity. We established that. And whenever we get together, we get together. The challenge I had with the Jamaican Life farmers is that even just from the inception of starting, there was people are busy, basically. Everybody busy. It's just a busy thing, and unity among people and helping each other is not in the blood of our people. So you always have to, when you start working with different groups of people, if you don't have a lot of money to keep things going, you're going to find people are not in it for the concept of everything is business as usual. It's money. Money. People just want money. They don't really want this, collective progress about each other. They're about building self and money. So Jamaica is a selfish, capitalistic society. This is why collectively the people don't get together to do anything to change the country, the direction. So you're going to find things are going as planned once it's set in motion. You look at this Highway 2000, this is Jamaica number 1. This is the Jamaica a lot of Jamaicans have never even seen. And there's a lot of development and stuff going on. So you have to be in the know, and you have to be among the upper echelons to understand what is going on in the country. Now Jamaica, good life, me there for poor people. For a while, I've been hanging around a lot of people to learn what I'm going to go through, and we go to as low as the farmer, but then I get to with them. And I come from a very nice family who work hard, and I myself worked in industry. But this experience for me allowed me to orange walk, allowed me to learn about the people. So this is what I'm talking about, the beautifulness of this country. When you decide to farm in this country, man, you can do some serious things. So, you have to be around the right people, do things right. So now I'm going to basically stay with hang on with the people them for a while. And there's some good and bad of it, because when you hang around people that don't have, you're going to always have to give. And that's one of the challenge that I faced. It's always giving money. When them see you, you're only a dollar sign. They don't really care about the movement or nothing you're doing. Just give me money. Me need money from you. Me need money from you. So I'm gonna make a t-shirt, I have no money. So I have nothing to give but love. Yes, I'm not nothing. Because after a while, man, it's just like, wow. So it's just how it is. But building app people, the solution for the country, all the maroons them. But to build an app and grow the app with people who believe in what you're doing, centralize your income, set up a plan, and continue to lobby, and if you pretty much build a social network to take votes away from those in power, so that you can have the laws changed. Over this, so if you want the laws changed, you just have to do it. But my energy right now, not really, no politics, no polymix, not really any of them things anymore. St. Catherine, I don't know, good. But I really like no more. I wasn't before, but I really. Put it in my mind no more. I kind of deliver and do my thing. I complete my mission, and I leave the rest of the work to you guys. I know focus on now my health and my daughter, and me now coming off the missionary position, and because my mission is I've done so much, and it's time for me to keep showing you Jamaica, but enjoy, capturing the beauty and just living it and just enjoy. You know what I say? So this is the beauty of it. I want to do that. It was a pleasure with all the people I met. I'm looking probably to go to Germany hopefully next. I'm probably going to have to take the vaccine for travel. Did some research on the vaccine. It's just building proteins. Most of my family took it, so more of to go Berlin. I want to go to Sweden. I want to keep traveling to see the world. I want to spend time with my daughter. She's going to be in high school. So it's a kind of some more things for them. This drive is 33 minutes to get to our location. You know, it's a long drive, but it's a beautiful drive. I love the drive from Montego Bay to the highway to Kingston. It's just beautiful, breathtaking, especially in the morning when the fog is up and it's not too hot. One of the great investments is a garbage truck in Jamaica, or a tractor. You can't lose. Get your license, firearm, and get yourself a tractor or a garbage truck. You can't lose, you know? And I'm gonna be that one room in a Montego. Montego Bay is up and running. Kingston is up and running. Yeah. Slow down and settle down. Right down. I like this drive better than the drive going through the mountains to Montego. This way, I think is less stress on the vehicle. It's more safe to actually drive on the highway. 32. So I'm gonna stop for now and charge up the phone.